afternoon program, what would it be and why? Again, if you could change one thing to better support the late afternoon program, what would it be and why?
Thank you for your question. I believe if I had an opportunity to do one thing to make our school better, especially with our program, the late afternoon program, it should be free access in every student to the lab of computer or science in our school, so that everyone or every student in the late afternoon program has an access and has an equal opportunity to learn something that you want to learn. And further, if you have that kind of attitudes that you want to learn something, there's nothing that can stop you. So that is why I stand here today, not just a candidate, but as a catalyst for a positive change. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Mr. Lap 2025 is from the Green Team!
Congratulations, Mr. Tapir, for winning the title. Requesting Senator Beth.
And our first
Runner-up
is from the Yellow Team.
John Paul Largo. Congratulations, John Paul Largo.
Congratulations. Requesting the audience to please remain here sa Alright, we're here and the time is now. The title holder for Midlap 2025 goes to who's your dad? Midlap 2025 is. Before anything else, I would like to thank my hair and makeup artist, Mr. Melchin Garcia, my head coach for my volleyball team. Thank you so much, sir, for having an outfit and having a makeup. Thank you so much. Alright, we're here. The time is now. The clock is ticking. Sing song, sing song. Insan lahat. Midlap 2025 is from the Blue Team.
Requesting the chairman of the board, Senator Beth, please come here up on stage to present and to give the certificate. Who will it be?
Green! Congrats, not bad.
Are you ready? Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We are born ready.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for.
The
Reminding the
moment-
audience that we will announce first the champion or the title holder for Mr. Lap 2025.
Title holder!
Yeah. Mr. Lap 2025 is shout out sa akong mga tao na nag-support kasi kanina kabuntag. Thank you so much to mga judges at tomorrow. Thank you so much sa yung dedication para aning
And
approach.
for Ma'am Karen Manlong sa mga mixer for today.
And now, partner, ready na ka?
Yes, I'm born ready! Ako'y nakabaan sa naluha.
And now, Mr. Lap 2025 is... Who's your back?
Green!
Mr. Lax, 2025 is from the Green Team!